Where's the talk button? Call? What do I do? Today we discover an ancient artifact. Alistair, do you think we've seen it before? Let's go find out.
What? Oh!
Oh, these are payphones.
Yes! Payphones!
You put coins in the slot, and then you call somebody. This is pretty neat. We've just been instructed to call our grandpa. I think I know how to do it. I'm going to try. It says 50-cent local calls. I wonder if local calls are in Death Valley or in this state or in this country.
Let's just pay $1 for anywhere around the world and dial.
I think we might be local because not very many people live in Death Valley. So I think it's California.
No. Let's just pay
Okay,
$1.
so we just put Alistair, not $1. Okay, so I'm gonna put 50 cents in. Where's the talk button? Call? What do I do? I don't do it.
Coin release. Do the coin release.
Oh, the coins came back.
Now, how do we talk?
I can't find the talk button. Where's the talk button? Where's the talk button?
Let me just no sign of any. Is this a trick one?
Look, the coins just come back. Look at this. I don't think that it would work, that it works, because it does. If it doesn't take money, then it probably doesn't let you call anywhere. So you just puts it just gives you your money back.
Let's try the other one.
It's giving me my money back. Something's not right with this. Oh, I know what to do. You put the coins in, and then you do the coin release. So that's 2 quarters. Coin release. You push down the coin release and put the quarters in. That doesn't work. This is annoying.
So annoying.
Someone told me I need to lift the receiver up and then put money in. I don't know where this receiver is.
Where's the receiver?
But this is the receiver, isn't it? This receiver. What's a receiver? You can't push it up. Yeah. Now I'm told maybe I should put the receiver to my ear. Oh, okay.
It's getting cold?
It said there was some sort of error with this phone. I've just been told I should dial a 1 before the area code.
Okay.
It's 700 degrees here and I'm tired of this. It's a local one. There's no way anyone could live in Death Valley. 10 people live in Death Valley, probably. Okay, fine, $1. She said, please wait 1 moment. Oh, it's ringing. Hello. I think this is the wrong number. Bye. I called him, but, I didn't think that his wife would answer. And so, I said I thought I got the wrong number. I think it was his wife. I'm gonna try to call her again. Hi, Grandpa. I'm calling from a payphone. No, I've never experienced a payphone. I'm in Death Valley. Oh yeah, it rained the first night that we came here. But Alistair would like to talk to you before the time runs out.
Hi, Grandpa. No. It didn't rain on us in our tent at all.
Okay, the coins fell into here, I think, because the call ended.
I did not end it.
Well, this is different. It's old. I like old things, but I'm hot and I'm tired. And I'd much rather use an iPhone than this payphone.
This feels that's like a complete wild card. You don't know if you're going to actually be able to call or if you're not.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch more of our videos.
And give us a thumbs up.